Good morning, student. Now for this week, as you have got your routine, we are going to study agriculture. Have you ever recognized, students? I remember when the word agriculture came in your mind. Of course, not it is only you, but also whenever the word agriculture comes to my mind, I begin to think about farming that we usually see in village. But agriculture is not only that, students. Agriculture means you simply recognize any of the activity that human perform, that human students perform in their surrounding for their livelihood is referred as agriculture. है ना, आप हॉर्टिकल्चर देख लो, सेरिकल्चर देख लो, है ना, एंड ऑफ कोर्स एग्रीकल्चर. तो एग्रीकल्चर इंक्लूड all the prime activity which is meant for livelihood. Okay, so in this chapter, as I have told you before, that throughout of the geography we are going to discuss about the resources which are helpful to develop the economic condition of our country, and in this chapter we are going to see the role of agriculture in the economy of our country. So India, students, is primarily India, Mr. Students, is an agricultural country. If we consider our country, we find that it is an agricultural country where mass population is engaged in agriculture for their livelihood, students. And the climatic condition and available resources in our country, like the various river, fertile soil, manpower, is very helpful to develop this country is as agricultural country. Okay, so now, students, I am going to take you through the clip that will help you to understand the better form, that how can you learn this chapter. But students, you must go through the self study, read the lesson carefully before watching this video. That will help you to understand the chapter in better ways. Okay, students, that is why go through the clip. Okay, have a nice day. Now, student, you can say that you notice over the map of India, you find that India primarily is an agricultural country. You may find the different peoples engaged in here, and mass population of our country get its livelihood from agriculture. India is blessed also with the different types of climate and the soil that help India to produce the different types of crops also on the very same season. Besides, the students, we must know that this is the prime activity which boosted the other industries too for their growth, like the cotton industries we can see, food processing industries we can see, students. Okay, but Indian agriculture is still practiced in various in different regions through the old method. Yet the modernized tools of agriculture has not been introduced in Indian agriculture that cause the reducing of its yield per hectare. But students, now we have to see that how this is practiced in our country, and we find that still the old method of agriculture is practiced in India, that is only for the means of subsistence farming, students, which is mainly produced for the livelihood of the family, and there we utilize the ancient tool of agriculture which not help to yield the more productions, but somehow help to give the support to the family, and mainly the products that we produce, it is only for the edible items that simply students be produced for the means of the family. And we must know this is not good for the environment and the other part of agriculture also, as it causes destructions of the natural vegetations where all the old methods are utilized to make the productions. Very same time, student, we see ancient tools and practices utilized to get food grain from the crops which is not much producing. What are, students, we must know the subsistence farming also include the slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture, which is known by the different name in the different country, like the Roka, Milpa, and in our country we see students Kumari. ठीक है, somewhere the झूम cultivation. तो under that the people grow or produce the crops through the old method, which is not particularly beneficial, and they mainly students produce the edible corn, which are utilized in our day-to-day life for eating, but it causes a heavy loss of destruction of natural vegetations, and the yield production student is very low. That is why this is not a better, and if we cause a disadvantage of this farming, it has various, but simply students, the production is not much. Beside, it also cause the destructions of natural vegetations students. Okay, so be here notice students that how this part of agriculture, that is cropping pattern, if we find the Rabi crops, Kharif seasons, and the Zaid. First of all students, you have to see the Rabi seasons. Mainly students, the seasons that is introduced in our country in month of November and December, that cause the moderate types of climates there, and the main productions that is utilized produced during this season is wheat, means groundnut, and the pulses crops students, which is grown in our country. Somewhere it is also students produced in the month of April, May, and June in our country, that mainly include wheat as a means edible food grain, and all other. Okay, so means through these students we see the Baisakhi that has been celebrated in state of Haryana, Punjab, after the crop means Rabi crops here, and important Rabi crops students barley हो गया, gram field हो गया, ठीक है, peas हो गया, means the pulses students that include all together. Now students, you have to see about the Kharif crops. Okay, so the crops students which is mainly developed and produced with the arrival of monsoon in our country. ठीक है, ये आप देख रहे हो रबी क्रॉप्स कहाँ कहाँ होता है, पंजाब है, हरियाणा है, ठीक है, उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स उत्तर प्रदेश हो गया, सम पार्ट ऑफ बिहार आल्सो है, ठीक है, उत्तरांचल हो गया. तो दिस एरिया स्टूडेंट्स आर मेनली नोन फॉर द प्रोडक्शंस ऑफ द रबी क्रॉप्स इन आवर कंट्री. Beside, just before I was telling you about the Kharif crops, the Kharif crops students mainly cultivated at the time of arrival of monsoon. Okay, with the arrival of monsoon, the Kharif productions of our country students means begin, that mainly include from the June, July, August. Okay, in which students we find there the different types of crops, mainly the crops like the rice is grown here and the deltai region. Okay, that include Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. So mainly students we find there those delta area which have the fertile soil support such types of productions here, and the farmer students for the high productions now get through the artificial irrigation system, fertilizers, and the modern tools that help to grow more and more crops here. Besides students, just before we have discussed that India being a different climatic season, different temperature, and different types of soil help to produce the different types of crops at the very same time students. Okay, you can see here the Kharif crops that is grown from the month of July, August with the arrival of the monsoon here, that need maximum ankle deep water every time before harvesting of 21 days, that required students. So far as Zaid crops is concerned students, we mainly find the Zaid crops is cultivated between the Kharif and Rabi crops. It means from the February, March, April here, and October and November. Mainly that include the means edible means fruits and vegetables which is grown during the Zaid season students. Okay, so this was the three cropping pattern of our country, which mainly include Rabi crops, Kharif crops, and the Zaid crops students. Okay, these three important means agricultural seasons is modified in our country, that is dependent on the different types of climatic season. And okay, this is the state students where the two different types of rice is cultivated in 1 year, because being the delta and the better facility of the water also. Okay, so this makes our country means benefit to develop the agriculture in our country, as we have a maximum manpower too. So this manpower also support the students the labor in our country, and which help to produce more and more food item in our country students. So this was what about we have to discuss for this video. Now we will see students again into the different video. I hope that you must will go through the reading also and the self study, that will help you to understand this clip better. Or you particularly students, you have to write also the different season of the crops. Just before you can see here jad, which mainly include the vegetables and the fruits which is grown between the period of kharif and rabi crops, students. That include watermelon and other fruits, cucumbers, potatoes. These all are grown mainly during these seasons, which enrich the not only the farmer but also help to get the varieties of vegetables there. Okay, so this was what was a student to this clip that you have seen. Later we will discuss now, more. Student, so once again come to the point video, that we will discussing. Okay students, it will help you to understand this chapter in better ways. Okay students, so what you have seen through the clip video, you will try to understand it yourself well. And once again students, I must tell you that every lesson that you are going to be taught by the teacher, you have to go through the self study. You must read the book as I have given on Sunday your routine or syllabus I have given you. So you means students must see there, you must see there that which lesson is going to be explained by the teacher, and you must have a self study. Okay, so through the clip students, I hope that you have understood better. In next day students, we will continue here from here. This from this video you will get notes also day after, means on Tuesday you will get the notes for this lesson. And till then students, have a nice day.